What'd you say, Thoreau? What'd you say?
Maybe we should stop him.
Where's Lake Balboa?
Because I don't know, is he getting like... Is he gonna get all cranked up?
I don't know. He just loves it so much. There must only be 3 or 4 pieces left by now. What? You gotta stop. You gotta stop.
It's kind of a nice couch.
You stop?
Alright, I'm going to bed. Alright.
Ron, let's go pick up this couch. It's free. It's on the side of the road.
So can you do me a favor and pick up that food?
Yeah.
And put it in a bowl and like bring it in here for this time.
I can fucking I can and will. Nowadays, very short.
Well, you gotta stop
Can you make sure that
sometime.
Robin and I are both up before you go?
I don't know if they ate enough today.
You gotta stop sometime.
Okay, I'll feed them.
We were volunteering for them.
I should get rolling the liquor cabinet. That's what he should have. He should have a bar in his house. Night, buddy.
You can have a bar.
Did you just say ways and like you and
Yep.
Oh, that's in the air.
Pretty much gonna move
Huh?
in. I'm pretty much gonna move in though. It'd be silly not to, unless I move in with that couple.
Yeah, probably.
Don't say anything, we're on video.
What?
Don't say anything, we're on video. Are you full yet? Oh my god. He has his foot out.